Good evening, friends. This is Sanjay here. Today I have taken the topic of my mentor. So, when I say about mentor played a very important role in my life since from my childhood days. And for a child, the first mentor in their life is none else than their father or mother, that is their parents. So, once I started progress in my life, I mean, like when I came into corporate, I started getting under mentorship programs and I am being trained under various mentors as well. I have mentors in my life, and few of them are Anthony Robbins, uh, Dan, Dev Gadvi, Siddharth Rajashekhar, and my previous company's bosses. The reason, like, I have taken mentors in my life because I personally believe that I cannot see that hope whenever I am seeing in something. Like mentors can see what a mentee cannot. So in order to grow fast, accelerate your life, you need to have mentor because mentor plays a decisive role in your life to strategize your vision, to make your goal aligned, and not only that, they will make your mindset so strong, so vibrant that you will be able to attract positive things in life. Now, uh, the five cases which I wanted to discuss are about the mentors are you need to find a person who has a purpose. You need to find a person as a mentor who has achieved something which you are struggling right now. Always remember, it is not what you learn, it is not what you are learning or what you have learned so far. It is to get the learning from somebody else. Second thing, study well and understand that people can be a mentor, and those people should be considered only as a mentor who are most of the time givers and not takers. Giver people are basically they who give you the knowledge and in return they want to see your progress. Third thing, once you understand that you have shortlisted the right mentor, you just need to go behind chasing your dream, chasing your goal. Fourth point, usually, like what happens when a mentor says us something, we struggle in the long run, not in the long run, in between, thinking that the mentor is not understanding the mentee, which I have personally felt in my life. Okay, why my hard work is not getting recognized by mentor? Why he is always pushing me? Trust me, he is pushing not us. He is pushing our envelope to go to the next. Fourth point, the reflection of this third 3 points which I have told, if you are able to do, you will be able to do multiple things. Keep taking massive actions. Unless you take actions, nothing is going to work out. Doesn't matter if you have got many good mentors in your life, if you don't follow them, if you don't rigorously accept their mindset, you are not going to move your needle from down to up. Fifth point, most people keep telling you you are not able to do something. Trust me, if you are not able to do now, do you think you will be able to do later? People like you, people at half of your age are successful. They have got some mentors in their life. That is the result, and that is the reason I keep telling everybody mentors plays a major role in shaping somebody's life. Not only that, mentors are basically gurus. I personally have a belief mentors are basically gurus. So, in order to give them the so called Guru Dakshina, I can offer them my success too. Whatever I was been able to achieve today, whatever I was been able to achieve today, it was because of the road or the path been laid down by my mentors, and still I keep leaning on my mentors to learn new objectives, new thinkings, new goals in life. Thank you. Bye.